everyone, this is Captain Robin Allen speaking. Flight time today, 6 hours 54 minutes.
Not welcome anywhere. Now get the fuck out of my bar.
Just give me one more drink and then I'll leave.
Hi, Peanut. I'm gonna need you to come with me right now.
Look, lady, I'm not interested.
All right, well, I'm sort of on the tick-tick, so upsy daisy. Here we go.
This Wolverine let down his entire world.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're having a look at Vankyo's latest projector. This is the Vankyo H500R Roku TV smart projector. That is right, Vankyo and Roku TV has collabed together. So what does that mean? If you do have Roku TV, you'll have access to hundreds and hundreds of free live TV channels that comes free with this projector. That being said, there's no need for any subscription. The good thing of having a Roku TV projector is that you'll have access to the Roku TV app on your smartphone, and this basically allows you to use your smartphone as a remote control. Not only that, you'll be able to access the Roku TV app and add most of your favorite apps, including Netflix, Disney Plus, Hulu, and much more. Now we're not done here. Not only does this comes with Roku TV, it also comes with Dolby Audio, so that's going to give you that immersive, vibrant audio. Now to recording this video, you can get this projector for a little bit under $200, more specifically $198. And in terms of the specifications of this projector, not only is it a smart projector because of Roku TV, it also has a native resolution of 1080p, it has a lumens of 330, it has Wi-Fi that supports 2.4 and 5.2 gigahertz, and of course Bluetooth as well. Now although this projector has a native resolution of 1080p, it definitely is able to decode any 4K content. What I like about this projector is that it has autofocus and an auto keystone. So the moment you turn on the projector, it would right away autofocus and auto keystone the projector to your wall. Now while we're talking about the speakers of this projector, it comes with two 5-watt speakers on each side of the projector, and again powered by the Dolby Audio, ensuring that you get the most of this projector. And just to say, I've already been using this projector for the past couple of weeks, and I can tell you right away that it is an amazing projector. I have been comparing this projector to some budget projector that costs approximately $120. I can tell you right away, even though that $120 is also a 1080p native resolution projector, it is still not as good, not as clear as the Vankyo H500R. So in the box, you will get the Vankyo Roku TV remote control, including two AAA batteries. You will then have the power cable. Once you remove the cover, you'll be presented right away with the projector itself. Here, as you can see, it is the projector, the Vankyo H500R. It is not the smallest or biggest projector out there. It is pretty compact. You can definitely put it in your backpack. Obviously, we won't be comparing this to the mini projector out there because those are not comparable to this ones. Those usually are not as good, not as clear, and they usually have a really low resolution of max 720p. So looking around the projector, as you can see around, we do have the Dolby Audio right there. We got the speakers on both the left and on the right side of the projector. In the front, we got some cameras right there for autofocus and auto keystone, the branding right there, holes right here for heat dissipation. Same thing in the back, we got some holes right there with a fan in the back to remove the heat from the projector. And of course, on the top of the projector, we got some ports, including the power button, a USB-A for plugging any USB sticks. We've got an HDMI port, a headphone port, but you can also put in any speakers. So overall, the weight of the projector is okay. It's approximately 4 pounds. And overall, the build quality of the projector is pretty good. Just like all projectors out there, the top is made of plastic. And again, like I said, I've been using this projector for a couple of weeks now. Clarity of this projector is really good, has really nice clarity, great color balance. You can make some adjustments from the settings. You also have great audio coming from these two little speakers on each side. And this is a really compact projector that you can leave it at home or somewhere in your office. At the bottom of the projector, again, we got that really nice mesh material. We've got 4 feet right here to rest on a desk, on a bookshelf, And here we've got a little kind of tripod thingy that you can use. Personally, when I use this projector, I do set it up on a tripod. And here's a quick look at the remote control. We got the power button, the home button right there, the return. You can set up a timer for the projector to go to sleep. This is to adjust the settings, play, pause. We got also skip to the next. And finally right here, we got some shortcuts for Netflix, Disney Plus, Apple TV, and Prime Video. Now on the side of the remote control, we do have the remote rockers, including the volume control right there. So yes guys, this is the all new Vankyo H500R smart projector. Definitely recommended. For 198 bucks, this is a pretty good option out there, especially comparing to other projectors at this price point. This is a pretty nice deal. The quality of the projector is really good, really clear, and the audio is also really good as well. Overall, I think that this is a great projector for all ages. I don't think that you'll need an external speaker unless if you're really picky. Again, I'll drop a links down in the description where you guys can check these out. If you got any questions, let me know down below in the comments. I'll catch you guys very soon. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.